or not, if it was, she'll still be here. All I want to fucking know is why the fuck they lying to us. This is a freezer. This is a fucking
this is somebody doing a video of the freezer.
You can see the ice smear on the fucking door. You see the ice smear.
This is somebody doing the whole walkthrough of the freezer
Brown KENNEKA body and she froze solid like that.
at the Crowne Plaza.
And then I know they're not lying. I had to come back in here and do it again just to show you.
So as you see, this young lady right here went inside the freezer. And she was saying that it's very, very cold on the inside of there. She was saying basically she's frostbitten. As you see, it's very easy to get in and out of the freezer. Let's see here. I want you guys to comment below, like and subscribe. I know YouTube has been off the hook with everybody's theories and arguing and etc. I see people have gotten totally off of focus. The focus was supposed to be justice for KENNEKA. But people always try to throw wrenches in the game. Sorry guys, every time I make a video, my computer freezes up. It's just so irritating. So now we're gonna do one. And I know it's gonna be a lot of people. Turn the camera around. I can't hear you. Calm down, people. Relax. It's just YouTube. This is not broadcasting and directing. Relax, people. Relax. No, but it is going very, very slow. The whole computer just shut down, so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. And I'm going to restart this over again. And so while I'm getting this together, let's talk about how everybody is saying that Irene Roberts is innocent. Whew. I don't know where to begin with that. But if you think Irene is innocent, you might as well say that you don't think nothing happened to KENNEKA. That's how crazy that sounds. It sounds cray-cray. Of course, everybody want to cover up their tracks now and put the blame on everybody else. That's how it goes. When people get in trouble, this won't be the first and it won't be the last. I swear, I think I'm just going to end this video because it's just won't let me do anything. You guys to be kidding me. Really? So, I know a lot of people, like I was saying about Irene, think she's innocent or whatever. I don't know what wool she pulled over your eyes, but she sure didn't pull any over mine or the vast majority of the people, because everybody know that Irene Roberts is full of shit. She is full of shit. She is full of shit. Period. I'm so tired of this damn computer. I don't know what to do. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm about to make one back to back after this one, since this is just taking forever. It threw me off of my whole thing, what I was going to do. Be prepared, I'm going to go live today as well.